Model: 2019 Peugeot Boxer 2.0 BlueHDi 335L3 160 kg tipper chassis. Cab needs gearbox. Body: white, tipper. Mileage: 179986. MOT: the 27th of March 2025. Engine: 1997 CCDW10 FUC. Transmission: 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. The gearbox will need replacing A.S.A.P as it is making lots of noises. Grin: the tipper works perfectly and the engine starts on the button grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, air-con. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07400